Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO M863, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this tablet. You need to start by going into Settings and choosing Apps and Notifications section over here. Then scroll down, click on Advanced, and tap on Permission Manager. Now you need to select one of your device's features. I will go with Location and select one of your apps, like Maps. Then tap on one of those options, Allow all the time, Allow only when using the app, or Deny. I will go with Allow only when using the app, so when I go back, I need to tap Deny anyway in this pop-up because this is Maps and Locations, I have to do that. Go back, and as you can see now, Maps gained access to this device location only if I'm using it. But you can always just tap on any feature and any app, and then choose See All Phones Permissions. Now manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!